Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and I am bringing to you today yet another way to curl your hair without using heat. Now, I do not like to apply heat to my hair on a regular basis. I'll blow dry my hair maybe 1 to 2 times a year, and that's it. As you guys already know, I am terrified of heat damage. So today I am showing you guys how I was able to get these stretched curls using Curlformers. This is my first time using Curlformers. I've heard of them in the past, but I was always intimidated by them for some reason. I thought it was gonna be this long, drawn out process and that it was gonna be too complicated, but the first couple of tries, I was like, wait, what am I doing? Okay, but after you do a couple of curls, you get the hang of it. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did with the Curlformers to get these curls. And what I like about the Curlformers is that it does stretch your hair. So if you don't like your curls to be too tight, I would highly recommend the Curlformers because it gives you the curls, but it also stretches the hair. Your hair is not as shrunken. So before I show you guys how I installed the Curlformers, I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds just to subscribe to this channel. If you are new, welcome. And this channel is basically everything beauty, makeup, hair, natural hair, units, wigs, braids, basically a little bit of everything beauty. And also check out my description box for all of the products that I use today. And also follow me on all of my social media, including Snapchat and Instagram. All right, y'all, so if you want to see exactly what I did to achieve this style today, keep on watching. All right, I'm gonna take my 5-in-1 leave-in conditioner from Body, and I'm gonna apply this to this section. I'm gonna leave my plastic wrap on my head just so that my hair doesn't dry out. Okay, so once I apply the leave-in conditioner, I'm just gonna detangle with my wide tooth comb, and then I'm gonna seal that with my Blue Magic. Just put it a little bit, because you don't wanna weigh down the hair. All right, so once I apply the Blue Magic to seal in that moisture, I'm gonna go in with my Cream of Nature foaming mousse, and this is just gonna help set the curls so that the curls can last for a couple of days. All right, I'm going to apply this evenly in this section, and focusing that also on the ends. Okay. So this is what the Curlformers come in. I like this little pink bag, and I got the orange and purple Curlformers. I'm gonna take this tool that came with the Curlformers and I'm gonna insert it into a Curlformer, and I'm gonna take that hook, okay? Now this hook is what you're gonna put your hair in between. So as you can see, I twist my hair first and then I put it in between the hook, and then I slide the Curlformer up and then down. Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna show this a couple of times so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna do the same thing for this section, applying the leave-in, detangling, and then I'm going to seal that with my Blue Magic, focusing that on the ends. And then going again with my Cream of Nature foaming mousse as my holding product. I'm going to insert that hook into the Curlformer, twist the very root of my hair so that it can fit into the hook. All right, make sure all of your hair fits into that hook or it can break, it can cause damage, right? And look what I'm doing here. I'm just gonna slide that right on through. Y'all, it's so easy. The first couple times, like I said earlier, I was like, okay, what am I doing? But you get the hang of it after you do it like 1 or 2 times. All right, now I'm just gonna show you guys again. Twisting the root of my hair. I feel like this helps to secure the Curlformer. And then I'm gonna slide that right on through. Easy. And as you can see, my hair was a little longer than this Curlformer, so what I did is I slid the Curlformer down just to make sure that my ends are tucked in the Curlformer, okay? So maybe I think I should have got longer Curlformers, but it's all right. I was able to play it off. Showing you guys again. And as you can see, the curl former goes right into its shape after you pull your hair through. All right, guys, this is what the back is looking like. Y'all, I would recommend that you do curl formers early in the day so that you can take it out that same day. These are not comfortable to sleep in at all, honestly. All right, but the curls are worth it. All right. All right, I'm gonna go to sleep and then come back and let it dry overnight. This is the next morning. My makeup is done. Just gonna take this head wrap off. I was afraid that my hair wasn't dry. Oh my God, please let my hair be dry. All right, so I'm gonna unravel the curl former just a little bit at the top, squeeze the very top of the curl former, and then slide it right on down. It doesn't snag the hair. Your hair will not rip out, and thank God my hair was absolutely dry. Very easy to take off. It doesn't hurt at all. Like I said, it doesn't snag or snap my hair, and it doesn't cause breakage. All right, so yeah, this was a breeze. The takedown process was really easy, and I was just so excited to see how the curls came out. The curls were super smooth and shiny, and it's like you would have thought I applied heat to my hair, but I didn't. So that's why I'm like, oh my God, I wish I would have been on this curl forming method a while ago. Like, I love the results, y'all. The Blue Magic with that foaming mousse and my leave-in conditioner really did leave my hair fluffy, yet the curls were defined. And I'm just like amazed here. Yeah, I'm feeling it. So before I separate my hair, I just want to show you guys what the back is looking like. Super shiny, y'all. Right, so now I'm going to take my oil mix and I'm going to rub that in between my hands so that I can come and separate my hair. And I'm trying to prevent frizz. So that's why I like to apply oil in my hands to help minimize the frizz. Of course, you're going to get some frizz, but try to minimize it as much as possible. I'm going to go into each curl and separate 2-3 times, depending on how big the curl is. And the more you separate, the bigger your hair will be. This came out so pretty. I was just like, I almost didn't want to separate, but I do like my hair to look bigger, so that's why I went in and did that. I'm going to take my hair pick and start fluffing. You guys know the drill. I'm going to keep fluffing and keep separating until I get the desired style and the desired volume. Next, I'm going to take my stocking band, and I'm just trying to see how I'm going to style my hair up. So I sort of separated the front with the like middle and back. I'm just gonna tie my headband around the middle like that so that I can make like a ponytail, like a puff ponytail, curly puff ponytail. Y'all see my curls? So pretty. Right here, I'm just gonna keep on playing with it and keep on fluffing and keep on separating as much as possible. Next, going in with my favorite edge control from Bella Beauty, just to tame these edges a little bit. Nothing too much, nothing too fancy. And I'm gonna use my coconut oil OGX oil mist just to give my hair some more shine and to set this hairstyle. And this is what it's looking like, y'all. These curls will last me, I believe, 4 to 5 days. I'll just apply my satin bonnet at night to maintain these curls. Yeah, and I'm just loving how these curl formers came out. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. And look at the back and how fluffy and shiny and soft and plush my hair is. Oh, I'm just so happy, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in, y'all. Thank you. Until next time, bye. Thank you.